Are you ready to grow the tastiest tomatoes? Let's explore together. Tomatoes are popular garden plants. Choosing the right variety is crucial. Here's your path to tomato success. First, consider your growing conditions. Are you in a warm, sunny spot? Or is your space partially shaded? Focus on varieties suited for your climate. Next, think about your preferences. Do you love juicy slicers for sandwiches? Or sweet cherry tomatoes for snacking? Your taste will guide your choice. Let's dive into some popular varieties. A classic is the beefsteak tomato. It's large and juicy, perfect for sandwiches and salads. Then, check out Roma tomatoes. They are great for sauces and pastes. They have fewer seeds and thicker flesh. A cook's best friend. If you want something sweet, try Sweet 100 or Sun Gold. They produce tons of small, delicious fruits. Great for kids and snacking. Now, let's talk about growth habits. Determine if you want determinate or indeterminate types. Determinate plants grow to a fixed size. They produce tomatoes all at once. Indeterminate plants keep growing and fruiting all season. Consider your garden space. If you have limited space, pick determinate varieties. They are compact and easy to manage. Remember, soil quality matters. Tomatoes thrive in well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. Enrich your soil with compost or fertilizer. This ensures your plants grow strong and healthy. You can also look into hybrid versus heirloom varieties. Hybrids are bred for specific traits, like disease resistance. Heirlooms are open-pollinated and often have richer flavors. Choose what fits your gardening style. When choosing, be sure to check the days to maturity. This tells you how long until your tomatoes are ready. Ensure this fits your growing season. In summary, the best tomato variety depends on your space, taste, and growing conditions. Evaluate those factors carefully. Don't rush the decision, enjoy the process. Now, are you ready to start your tomato garden? Decide on the perfect variety for you today. Happy gardening!